beads are cute. Welcome back to my channel. It's Miss Virgo Creativity. If you're new here, I want you to hit subscribe, and when you hit subscribe, make sure you turn on your post notification bell, okay, so that you'll be notified each and every time that I upload a video. So look, I took everything out of this box, okay. Look, like, I want to share this quick little haul with y'all. I hope y'all feeling well. Ladies, how you doing? Fellas, how you feeling? Okay, yes, look, go ahead and binge watch my videos, okay. Happy New Year, by the way. I hope your dreams and all your aspirations are going just the way you want them to. But look, check this out, okay. Let's start with this first, okay. Like, look, can you see this? Okay, you already know what color I got, right? The pink one. Yes, look, let me open it up. Has a cute little lid, okay. Isn't that cute? I know, right? Ew. Okay, but look, check it out. It didn't come with the beads, okay. It did not come with the beads, but look, isn't that so cute? Let me take it out of the plastic. This is the little pamphlet that it came with, okay. Amazon, yes, Amazon. Look at this. Ooh, that is so cute, right? So I need to get back in contact with my brother so he can go ahead and order me the beads, because I need the beads, like, for real. I do. Like, I'm sitting up here chilling, okay, just reflecting. Okay, look, I'm gonna retire early, okay. I started when I was 14 years old, and guess what? I already got all my Medicare and work credits, okay. Yes, can I retire early? I hope so. For real, for real. I've had some cool jobs, okay, some really cool jobs, okay. I don't know, I think the epic moment was, I can't say where I worked, but the epic moment was when I met Rosa Parks and I shook her hand, okay. So yeah, look at this, okay. Tongue, mouth, tongue, teeth, lips, palate, because you got to make sure that speech is 100. Okay, you know, that's why I got this. So look, this came from Amazon, you know what I'm saying. And yeah, it was, like I said, these can run you for about, these can run about 25. The key word you want to use is water flosser, not pig. So yeah, okay, like I said, it came from Amazon. So it comes like this. It has a water where you can put, it has a compartment for your water, okay, and all of the picks, you can line them up there, okay. All this stuff can be taken apart, disassembled. This can, you know, you can keep it sterile, basically, okay. So it's all about the oral vernacular, okay. Okay, so that's it right here, and this is the base, you know what I'm saying. It is just so cute, okay. It's just so cute. And of course it comes with the pamphlet, okay, and this is the brand right here. You can get it from off of Amazon, okay. So you just want to, you know what I'm saying, you know, you chilling or whatever, you just want to, you know, it's a oral irrigator, okay. So it's going to remove debris out. It's going to go, you know, around the gum line and get all of that, you know, out. These boots right here are so cute. Yes, they are. Oh my goodness. Yes. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Hey, did y'all like that boot? Okay, these boots are like cute and they're comfortable. Time and true, okay? They, well, cute, cute, cute. Okay, yes. So we're about to go ahead and wrap this little haul up, okay? Wait a minute. Mirror work. Okay, this is just a quick example. Oh, you know, you just breathe in, exhale, okay? You know, you get in your mirror. See, my mirror is right here, okay? Because I'm not capping. you just tell yourself how beautiful and blessed you are. I'm beautiful, I'm blessed, I'm equipped, I can go out and face any challenge. I'm strong, I'm brave, I'm powerful, I have a beautiful mindset. You know what I'm saying? I can achieve anything. That's mirror work. I'm confident, okay? I'm secure in who I am. You know what I'm saying? All of that good stuff. You're going to speak in nothing but positivity, okay? Yes, that's mirror work, okay? Because see, me as a Virgo, I let nothing or no one stop me. And like I said, I'm looking forward to retiring early, okay? Because I started early. I started at 14, and I'm ready to, make sure that I'm going to be able to retire early. Okay, so look, Hamilton Beach. And for time's sakes, I just went ahead and opened it just to cut the time in half. So, I like to cook. I like to clean. You know what I'm saying? And y'all saw set, okay? Yes, but for time's sake, I'm just like, sometimes it gets a little, what's the word? Repetitive. Okay, so look at here. And you know how you see images on it's so funny. You know how you see images on the computer, and then once you get it home, like it's already in your mind that it's a bigger this whole big thing, you know what I'm saying? Then once you get it home, it's just like, eh. Okay, but look here. Let's go in this box and take it out. Okay. So I have me a little kitchen gadget. Okay. That's what I like to call them. Okay. So, yeah. Sharp. So, that's what I'm on. Spring, summertime, we like guacamole and salsa and chips and stuff like that. So, okay, so it's nifty. Okay, it's cute. And yeah, $19.99, affordable. Okay, so I have my waxer. I have my handy dandy food chopper processor. Okay, I like to just say chopper. Hamilton Beach, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, that's it. And I got my oral irrigator, okay, pamphlet inside. Okay, so yeah, that's all I'm doing right now. So that's the time I'm on, and that's pretty much it. I'll catch you all on my next vlog or whatever. And yeah, I think I might turn my comments back on. I'm not for sure, because like, sometimes you just have to turn them off, because if they get a little bit way out of, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, but that's neither here nor there. I'm not gonna go into it too much, but I kind of want to know, like, who's subscribing to me. That would be nice to know. You know what I'm saying? So, I don't know. I need to come up with something on that end. But yeah, I'm in Los Angeles, California. Yeah, California. People be like, "Oh, you live in California?" But what part of California? Um, South Central. Okay, South Central. Okay, what they did was they changed the name to South LA, but it's still South Central. Okay, Los Angeles, California, born and raised. You know what I'm saying? Los Angeles native. Okay, I didn't fly here. I didn't flew here. I grew here. Okay, so yeah. If you like my type of content, go ahead and hit subscribe. You know what I'm saying? And like my videos too as well. You know what I'm saying? If you're into the whole fitness, you like fashion, you like lifestyle, beauty vlogs, you know what I'm saying? Little hauls and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? Hit subscribe and like the video. It's all good. You feel me? No pressure, but I'm just saying, So, y'all my fancy posse, and I like to say this at the end of my videos. You feel me? Look, I hope wherever you are in the land, I hope that you're feeling fancy and free, and you're doing the things that you love to do. Okay? Yes. So I'm gonna get on out of here. Thanks for visiting me. I appreciate every second, every minute, okay, that you have spent with me, because guess what? Your time is precious. So